The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Yes, manners and respect to you, you see? Alright, so I have some videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to start off with one of these videos, you see me? And the first video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows a thief whose head got stuck in the grill of a window. Now viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where in the world this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. Some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not be able to understand the language that was being used in this video, but if you listen carefully, you might be able to understand one or a few words that were being used by persons in this video. You see me? Alright, so I'm going to present the video to you and you can let me know what you think about this video. Alright, this video is being talked about on social media and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Let's talk. This native man, he can't thief na Juba Mox, na Erican fashion. He can't Erican fashion na the Mox. He can't thief. Erican fashion. Erican fashion.
This will be ready for Tifa.
We always have Moxie.
It is there for
he can't thief na Mox, air fashion. Air fashion, he can't thief na Mox. And the man this way can't thief na Mox. He can't thief na Mox, na Juba Mox, air fashion. Air fashion, Juba Barracks Mox. If you get girlfriend, your girlfriend is sacked.
Not today, they don't get on my bad name. Not today,
They can't thief air fashion a Mox.
Yes.
About said it. Said it.
You can't thief na Mox, you. Now you plan thief na Mox, they go to hold you.
Air fashion.
What's your name? Is your name Control? After they will say born, is in a put on this street born. Not like.
Come on, not a good bad name.
Yeah, I say you know who's right. Is in Namende.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you see, if that person was actually going to steal something or some things, then in my point of view, I think he's the person that put himself in such problem or trouble. You see what I'm saying to you? But anyways, let me know what you think about that video, and I'm going to move on to more videos, alright? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you a compilation of videos that I call news report bloopers. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Some of these videos are going to show mishaps, and some of these videos you're going to see and hear when news reporters made mistakes. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to warn you from right now that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos, they might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Now to sport with Meredith Sheen.
This is the season that matters, and despite the fact that they've had such a tremendous amount of success during the regular season.
To an accident scene in Charlotte, North Carolina. 4 firefighters are hurt after a fire truck over.
Last week, Twitter said guidelines were being updated due to confusion. The company says any users who tweets content.
All the latest traffic to help you avoid those hotspots this Friday morning, plus lots of your photos. Put a bit of smoke in your face.
Thousands have been built here over the...
After being briefed on such a horrific crime.
Folks from the community of Mammoth have been Ow. Holy fucking shit.
Careful on that cord. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Here, I'm sorry.
So far, so good there. Here's the big picture. We've all had the hiccups before, right? Cypress to Copperfield as well. 5:36, Scattered showers and a couple of thunderstorms during the overnight.
Was perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers community. If I could ask you to stay with us, we're going to go.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, news report job is not an easy job. You see me? Yeah, news reporting jobs is not an easy job, viewers and subscribers, is it? Alright, let me know what you think about those pieces of videos that I just presented to you. Alright, let me know what you think about those pieces of videos. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. Now, viewers and subscribers, this video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a tractor man used a tractor to push a vehicle multiple times. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I take a look at the video and I'm wondering, why did the tractor man do something like that? You see me? Why did the tractor man use the tractor to push the vehicle so many times? Why? Anyways, maybe you, my viewers and subscribers, can tell me what you think or give me a understanding as to why you think this tractor man did something like that. You see me? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm wondering how the person who won the vehicle is going to feel when the person come and see the vehicle with all those scratches and dents. You see me? Yeah, because in my point of view, there must be dents on that vehicle. I mean, the tractor pushed the vehicle. See me? So, in my point of view, there must be scratches and dents on all these things. For a pretty vehicle like that at that, eh? Alright, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You see me? You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, alright? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You see me? Alright, so until the next time, wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.